Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic which is related to Qshell. So mainly we are going to discuss about a process through which we can fetch all the non-matched record from the file. Okay, so just assume a scenario like you are working for a project and then you are supposed to fetch all those lines where a particular word is not present. So far whatever we have learned is that like we use the grep, like we used to use the grep command in order to search for a specific keyword, right? And then we discussed various ways like by ignoring searching for a character or word for finding the, by ignoring the case sensitivity. Then we also see how we can list down the line numbers for a matched record, right? So these are the all things that we have already learned. Now in this session we are going to look for some different thing which is just opposite of it. So far we are just looking for the matched record. This time we are looking for the non-matched record. But again we will use the grep command. But how, that we are going to see now. Okay, so before we start the session, let me tell you like how we are going to proceed with it. So first of all, I'll tell you about how about the file and the data that we are going to use for the demo purpose. So for that, I'll just do one command, work lnk, and then hit enter. So once I hit enter on work lnk command, it takes me to this particular location, which is my present working directory /home/sharmit. And here I have created one file which is with the name abc.txt. So if I scroll it down, you will find one file which is abc.txt. So this is my file which I am going to use for the demo purpose. So after hitting enter on, or after taking 5 option, you can see this is the test data that I have already prepared in it, and this data we will use in order to perform the demo for the grep command. Okay, so let's understand the requirement. Suppose one of my teammate has asked me to look for a word which is new, for example. Okay, so he wanted us to print all the data from the file where this keyword new is not present. Okay, so this is the new keyword. If I search with normal grep command, what it will do, it will provide me this line, because this line contains the new keyword, right? But when you use the grep command with -v, which we are going to see today, like how we can use -v in order to fetch the non-matched record, then in that case it will search and fetch out this area, this data. Why? Because -v means we are looking for non-matched record. Okay, so in this case it will only print this particular thing. Fine. So now what we will do, like we will see the example on Qshell command. So for that I'm just taking F3 from here, and here I will write QSH. QSH means once I hit enter on QSH, it will take me to this Qshell command entry where we can run any of the Qshell related commands. Okay, so first of all, let me show you like how the normal command is working, and then we will change it in order to fetch the non-matched record. So let's say I want to look for the keyword new, where in my home location /home, then /sharmit, then my file name is abc.txt. So if I hit enter here, what it will do, it will print the exact line where this new keyword is present. So this is what we have learned so far, right? Now here we can also use some specific thing, like if I let let me show you, like with demo keyword, if we are looking for demo keyword, it is printing the lines which contains demo. Then if I make it -i, so what it will do, it will ignore the case sensitivity and print the all lines which contains demo, right? Likewise, if you would like to go and count, or not the count, but let's say if you want to look for the line number as well, so you can put ni. So here this time it is printing the line number as well. Okay, and so this is like how you can simply use. And what will happen if I search for C? So it is printing 4. Okay, So 4 demo is present at 4 places, that's why it is returning 4. So this is how grep command is working. Now for today's session, what we are going to look for, we are looking for v keyword, -v. Let me make it again new. So what this command will do, it will print all the lines where new is not present. Okay, -v means it will search only for the non-matched record. So these are the all non-matched record. You can see in any of the line new is not present. Okay, and when when I showed you the data of the my file, then I think you know that at the last line it was written new entry, right? So same thing we are doing with like here, if we are using -v, so it is ignoring that particular line. Okay, let's run the same command with demo keyword, so it would clear more picture to you. Okay, so if I search for demo and hit enter -v, so you can see only 2 line has been removed. Why? Because those line contain the keyword demo. Now there might be one question like, it is also demo, then why it is printing this? Because this is case sensitive command, so that's why it is looking for exact match, not for overall match. Okay, but if you would like to go and hide this thing also, means you want to ignore the case sensitivity, then in that case you can put I. So the moment when you hit enter with I, it will print only those lines uh, which does not contain any type of demo. Okay, whether it is uppercase or lowercase. Now why we are getting these blank line? Because these blank line are coming from the file itself. Okay, there we have kept some blank lines in between. Okay, now another thing that we can do here is by making a combination with n. So let's say if I want to go with n, so what it will do, it will print all the line number as well. You can see second line is missing because their demo is present. Then after that fourth line is missing because their demo was present. Apart from this, all line has been printed here. Okay, and at the moment we are not ignoring the case. Let's see if we can ignore the case as well. So I'll make it as I. So yeah, it is now working, and it has removed all all the lines where the word demo was present. Okay, so this is how this grep command is working with -v. Likewise, if you would like to go and fetch the count, let's try to fetch the count by using C. So you can see it is printing 11 line where this keyword demo is not present. Okay, so you can build your own scenarios by as per your need. Like you can see I have make this command cniv, so I know it is exactly not a single word. We are using it for different purpose. Like v is for finding the non-matched record, I is for in ignoring the case sensitivity, then n is for printing the line number, then we have c for fetching the count. Okay, so yeah, I think now we are comfortable with this command to use -v. Main purpose is like for today, like their main topic was how to fetch the non-matched record from the file. Okay, now if you would like to run the same thing but with clle program, then what to do? Let me walk you through the existing program which I have already created. So here, first of all, this program is to search for the lines that do not match. Okay, then you can simply write dcl in order to declare variable name, type, storage, length. And if you have any doubt on the basics, then you can refer the previous sessions, because there we have prepared everything in detail. Even I recommend you to go in the same sequence as the playlist is present, because everything is in a proper sequence. Okay, and for time being we are just focusing on the Qshell related part. So once variable is declared, then you can write chgvar, provide your variable name, and you can pass the command which you want to execute. So in my case, I want to execute grep -v, looking for not matched with demo abc.txt. You can also provide the path here, but as it is in my home directory or present working directory, that's why I skip it. but I recommend you to put the path every time, especially in program. So once your variable is ready, then you are good to start with the command. So just simply write strqsh, provide your variable name, and we are good to start the program. Okay, so program is ready. Now you can simply compile and call it. It is compiled. Now I'm calling it. You can see it print all the line where small demo was not present. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.